Welcome guys, and today I'm going to show you how you can fix your controller or gamepad not working in Hollow Knight Silksong. So it is pretty simple and easy to fix, so let's get started. First of all, go to the options and here, go to the controller and make sure to press any button or connect a new controller to activate it and check if that doesn't work. So let's get straightforward to the controller fix. So what you'll need to do is go right here to Device Manager. Click on Device Manager, and here, if you scroll down, you will see Universal Serial Bus Controllers. So make sure if you don't have any error. If you have any error, try updating the driver. As you can see, the yellow for me, so it means I need to update it. So it is pretty simple, just update driver, search automatically for drivers, and you will see that your drivers will be downloaded, or it is the updated version of your drivers. Now what you can do is go right here where it says sound, video and game controllers. You may find here your controller and update it too. Of course, it can be right here in the mouse and other pointing devices. So after that, if that doesn't help you too, and if you use the Steam, you may want to go to the Steam, and here I don't have Silksong right here in the Steam because I'm playing on the Xbox. So right here you will see enter a big picture mode. You can click on that one and the Steam will enter the big picture mode and maybe your controller will work. So this was one of the issues that's fixed. My controller entering the big picture mode in the Steam. And of course, you can try verifying your game files. So it is easy to do that. Just what you want to do is go to the Steam, choose a game like Hollow Knight Silksong, and like this, right click it, properties, go to the installed files and verify integrated game files. Of course, if that doesn't help you, just go to the controller. As you can see, make sure you are using default devices, and here the Steam input status, you'll see if you're connected to Xbox controller or PlayStation controller. And that's pretty much it. That's how you fix. Of course, make sure to use Xbox app to connect your controller, or PS4 app too. So thank you guys and see you in the next one.